Lee, we can't overlook the operators of machines of this nature, can we? How important is it to keep, or for someone to be comfortable and be in a control room like this?
Well, firstly, on any machine, the operator is probably the most important part of the process. So it's imperative that they're comfortable, that they've got access to everything they need.
You look pretty comfortable yourself at the moment.
I'm thinking of moving my office in here, Paul.
Now, what does happen in here? We say it's the control room. It's obviously where the machine's programmed and operated from. But what are their duties? What are they doing?
Well, you imagine a huge component on the table there. The operator's got to be able to control the machine and see what's going on. So you've got 7 meters of elevation here and 4.5 meters in the y-axis of direction for this office. So this is a portable office, if you like, to control everything that happens on that table.
Now, we'll be able to see it in the visuals, but this is a massive mill turn machine. So one would guess correctly that there's some really high value parts going on that table being machined. You need to be able to see every area, don't you? So maybe even the eyes often not sometime, or not enough sometimes. What else does it offer?
Well, for sure it's not. So visually, you've obviously got high windows, you've got low windows, so you can get over the part, you can look down in the part. But just as important, we have very advanced camera vision systems on this machine. So we've got a 32-inch screen in here for the operator to see exactly what's happening on the end of the ram and inside the job. He can get over the top of the job, as we've just said, and then he's got a large screen, a larger than normal screen control system, a 22-inch monitor here for him to be able to operate the machine from and control everything that's happening in the cutting area.
Like you say, lots of visibility, lots of space. It's got to be comfortable for him. He doesn't want to make a mistake on one of these high value parts, so I suppose that's really in the mind, isn't it?
Of course it is, and depending on where you are in the world and depending on the climate inside your factory, when you're 7 meters up in the air in the summer, it's going to get warm. So this is a climate controlled office as well. So the environment that they're working in is very comfortable.
Worth swapping?
Worth swapping for sure.